Mga almost 1 month ata din na hindi ako
Count
nakapag-live. Pero nagla-live ako like mga
because of
konting walang isang oras.
I forgot my
Kasi wala akong time. Ngayon meron na akong time.
I lost my account because I
Meron ng
lost
time.
by Meriola Elementary School, pangalan school na
Oh, well, I
ano
lost
school.
account because I forgot my password. Kaya pala hindi ko na nakikita yung Jenny Kim mo. Francisco Ubay Memorial Elementary School, pangalan school namin. Ako grade 6, ikaw Kitty, ano school mo? Oh, okay. Miguel, hello Miguel, where are you from? Good evening from the
School.
Philippines.
Talon.
Miguela Christopher.
Medyo malay.
Elementary School, Talon. Elementary School, Talon.
Medyo malayo.
Hello, good evening. Medyo malayo. Pag-ingat kayo lagi ha, palangga. Huwag kayong mangbuli sa mga classmates nyo ha. Okay? Oh, English only. I don't understand your language, Miguela Christopher. Grade 5. Si Jenny Kim naman ay grade 5. 5, hello. Good evening din from Kristan. Tagalog ka ba? Opo. Miguela, opo. Tagalog, langga. Pwede man Ilonggo. I can speak Ilonggo naman.
Yeah.
Hi, please don't forget to subscribe and likes po. Salamat. Thank you. Taga saan ka ba, Miguela? Ako, Adala ako. Ano yung Adala? Pwede pa tour bahay niyo po? Walang tour dito sa akin. I'm sorry. Tapos na. Ay, thank you, Miguela. Thank you. Salamat palangga. Taga saan ka ba, Miguela? Miguela ba talaga ni mo? Christopher. Hi! I'm just joking. Ano na naman gina-joke mo, Kitty? Kitty cat, my friend.
Oh, bro, I'm going to start
Hi, 3 million.
taga Pinisya ka. Visayas ka ba?
Taga Visayas ka ba? Yes, I'm from Iloilo lang ga. I'm from Visayas. Kitty cat. Diva. Salamat sa sa suporta.
Tawag.
Hi. Good evening.
Oy, Wait!
Sana ako sa'yo. Anong sana ako sa'yo?
Wait! No!
Uy, ayusin mo naman yan. Hindi ako makaka-wait. O sige, I can wait naman. Bukas hanap pa ako ibang masusupport. Okay, Kristan, thank you. Salamat. Uy, matulog na yung may pasok
Live
bukas.
na ako sa'yo. Bro, I said just son.
Yung may pasok bukas, you can sleep early. Subscribe na ako sa'yo. Salamat, Kitty. Ang tagal ko din hindi nakapag-live. Super tagal. Nagpo-post lang ako sa short video yung kung saan gala, saan punta, ganun.
Kaya nga.
Ganun lang. O, share nyo yung live natin na. Kaya nga.
Kung may
Pagkapasok ko live mo, mag-subscribe agad ako. Thank you, Tristan.
post sa
Or maybe you can tell your friend to subscribe me. Salamat. Kung meron lang silang YouTube.
super chat na ako.
Hi, 3 million. Thank you so much for coming on my live stream. Kitty Cat, hindi ka pa matutulog? Kung may pera lang ako sa bangko, mag-super chat ako sa iyo. Ay, kung meron lang. Kung wala, okay lang. Walang problema. Tulog na ako. Sige, Tristan, matulog na ha. Good night. Bye-bye. Hi, 3 million in the house.
0. Wala
Say
ako.
Kitty. Bye, Landis. Take care always. Enjoy your vacation. Ay, pag wala kayong pera, wala. Walang problema sa akin kung walang super chat o ano, ha? Good night. Good night, Kristen. Walang problema sa akin, ha? No need. Okay, as long as you are here, no, I'm happy.
Basta mag-chat lang.
Wala na. No, no need yung pera-pera dito, malangga, ha? Good night, Landis Ball. Good night. Take care always.
Landis Ball.
Oo, chat lang. Magkwentuhan lang tayo. Walang problema. O, diba? Mag-super chat lang kayo kung meron na kayong ano, may trabaho na kayo, nakapag-graduate na kayo ng college, meron na kayong trabaho. Okay, ganun.
At
Basta chat lang tayo dito, mag-usap lang tayo. Kamusta yung school nyo? Kamusta yung teacher nyo? Kamusta yung mga schoolmates nyo? Ganon. Oh, I thought his name is Landis Bald. Oh, Kitty Cat, Ginny, you can call him Landis. Sorry, bro, from Kitty. Hi, 4 million. Good evening. Landis, how old are you? And Jenny, how old are you? Kira, hi! Good evening, Kira. Uy, may pasok kayo bukas ha. You need to sleep early. Kitty, you need to sleep na. Oh, matulog na, Kira. Late na. Ano oras na ba?
just what
Oh, it's
heard ni
8:56.
Jenikin.
8:56 p.m. 9 o'clock, you need to sleep. I'm 10 now. Just what I said noon. I'm Jenny Kim. Yes, Jenny Kim. Okay. Hi, good evening, everyone. Para akong inaantok. Pero alas 9 pa lang, hindi pa ako matutulog ng so early. Wow. O, diba?
She get his nails done.
Yes. It's color blue, Jenny. Gel polish. But it's very nice if we put like
Wow,
cat's eye.
so beautiful.
But we don't have ano, they don't have cat's eye there, so only a normal gel polish. Thank you. Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you.
I miss the original Diva or something
I
that we
really
miss.
like.
Hindi na mabalik ka.
I really like it. My Wi-Fi is not good. I miss the original Diva or something, but I missed him. Original Diva. Hi, chapter close. Like Dan, kamusta ka? Okay na, okay. Chapter close. I think I already subscribe you this afternoon. Thank you. How are you? Kamusta?
Ang sakit, diba?
Okay na okay ako dito. Thank you for coming. Chapter close. Thank you, thank you. Original Diva, something, but I miss him. Yeah, also, I miss also Original Diva. There's a lot. Ay, marami tayong ano ha. Marami tayong friend na hindi. I'm such a diva. Ay, marami tayong friend na hindi pumapasok. I see. Thank you. Kitty Cat, it's her, she, him. She. How was a day? Very good. Okay na okay. What?
Bro, what are you saying, bald? I mean, Landis.
Hi, 4 million.
Uh,
Oh, what time is in now there? Here in the Philippines, it's already 9. It's 8:59 p.m. Where are you from? Chapter close. Taga saan ka ba? Like and sub to Cleo or this bishop will hunt you from Landis. Thank you so much, Landis, my friend. Thank you. Bro, from Kitty Cat. Yeah, it's 9 p.m. na. Ay, matulog kayong maaga, ha? Ipasok kayo bukas. Ako nang nagigising ako alas 9 na. 9 a.m. Dedabur, my friend. Hi, Cleo. Hello, hello. Hello, my friend. How are you? You're in Canada, right? Good evening from the Philippines. How have you been? Very good. I'm good. Ayoko. Sige, dyan ka lang muna, Kitty Cat, because I miss you. Dedabur, good evening. How are you there? Diba? Thank you. Hello, 6 million. Cleo, keep this a secret. Okay, what's that? But I'm 10. Okay, it's secret. No problem,
all
Landis.
our holidays.
Hi, 5 million. Tomorrow our holidays will end up. Oh, okay. So you're gonna go back to Australia, the Dabur. Post ko muna ang aking video. Yes, sige, 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 Jenny Kim, no problem.
Okay, okay, sorry. Bye, guys!